Hey guys, what's up? Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, thank you for stopping by and make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And if you are not new here, thank you for coming back and clicking on another video. So as you can see from the title of this video, it's going to be all about this wig that's on my head and how I basically, how I basically transformed it. But before I start, I just want to say this is not a step-by-step tutorial on how to customize a wig or how to make your own wig. It's nothing like that. I'm more of just reviewing this wig and showing you the process I went through to achieve the final results. It's gone through bleaching, it's gone through styling, heat, everything. It's gone through hairspray, it's gone through keeping it on my head for the past 2 weeks, sleeping on it, sweating in it, going to the gym. It's gone through everything. It's been 2 weeks and it's been glued to my head. So I'm here basically just to tell you guys the details on this hair and show you guys how I keep up with it and style it and how I maintain the hair at this point. This wig is from Bestlacewigs and this wig was sent to me and I thought, okay, let me put this to the test and see how durable it really is. This is not a sponsored video. This is just me trying out the wig to its maximum potential. I was like, okay, so what can I do to make sure this is actually very sturdy? And I thought, well, I've been wanting to get my hair styled professionally for a while. Why don't I take this wig that is easy to get by everyone else because it's not overly priced, it's not thousands of dollars, and it's very accessible. So I was like, okay, let me just take the most common wig and just go take it to somewhere that can be customized very well and make it look its best and see if it'll hold up. It's a 360 lace wig. Sorry, so much information. It's a 360 lace wig and I received it. It came in a nice little box, came with a hairbrush, an elastic band, some eyelashes. Like, it came with all these cute things. It was very, very, very nicely packaged, as you can see. And as soon as I received it, I was like, okay, I'm gonna drop this off at the hair salon. I went there, left it to her to customize and bleach it, and when I got to the hair salon to do my hair, she basically did the stocking cap method on my head. Put on the stocking cap, put some got2b to stick it on, and then went in with some lace glue to attach this wig. So as you can see in the clip, she's kind of parting through the hair so you can see the lace and how well bleached it is, and you can even see it right now. It is very well bleached, so you can see my scalp, my scalp part, but it looks really natural. It doesn't look orange, it doesn't look too dense. Like, it looks really good. So she bleached the lace and it's still very durable, it's still very strong, it still held its curls to, well, the body wave. So as you can see, she also did my braids really, really tiny because you do not want bulky hair underneath a wig. And this hair, I think it's 150 density, so it is not super, super, super dense. It is more of a natural density. This is basically all the hair. This is it. This is all of it. So it's very natural. So she braided all my hair up underneath, put on this wig cap, and then put on the wig, and then glued it on with some lace glue. So at that point, I was like, okay, this looks a lot better, because you guys saw the beginning look of this wig. It was very simple stock wig, nothing plucked, nothing bleached, nothing customized, straight hairline. So it did stand up to being transformed. It did withhold through the bleaching, the styling, and the customizing. It's not over shedding. It's not shedding at all, actually. No shedding whatsoever. It's been 2 weeks on my head. I just reinstalled it today by myself with some got2b. So the texture is amazing, the shedding is amazing, installation process was seamless, flawless, nothing fell apart, nothing broke, nothing you know, it held up. And I was very surprised because this is not the most expensive wig, which is nice. So anybody can really get this and work with it. So now I'm just going to show you guys how I maintain this wig after getting it bleached and customized. Like I said, I just reapplied the wig onto my head with some got2b, so it doesn't look exactly the same, doesn't look as good, but I made it work, right? So this is a wig that is very good for beginners. So all I'm doing is taking a spoolie, an eyebrow spoolie, and I'm brushing forward my baby hairs. And basically I'm just going to recreate what the hairstylist did for me. So I'm just going to take some mousse like this, and I'm going to put it on my hand, and then I'm just going to slide it right here. And basically I'm just parting my hair properly and kind of making it smooth. And you can see my part looks amazing. It looks natural, it looks clean. So now I'm just going to take my little end of brush and pull some pieces out. Okay, so personally I want a little bit more baby hair, so I'm going to take a little like eyebrow razor thing and I'm just gonna shave like that. I'm just gonna chop it, and I'm gonna chop it pretty short because baby hair is not supposed to be long. It's supposed to be babies, not adults, you know, not full-grown adults. So then I'm gonna take this little edge brush and some Eco Styler. I'm gonna dip it in there and then I'm just gonna swoop. Just swoop, just like that. So I'm kind of creating the same look that the hairstylist did for me when I was there. And then I'm going to continue down the side and swoop here. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. There we go. Okay, so that's basically all I do, and then I'm gonna comb through the roots with some more mousse. Whoop. Just like this. I'm just going to brush it upwards so it gives a nice little swoop in the front. And I'm just gonna let it dry like this, if that makes sense. So I want it to stand up in the front and not just fall in my face. So now I'm gonna take a blow dryer and just dry that part. Okay, so that is that. As you can see, it kind of comes up before it falls down, so it's not just falling in my face. And that's how you create that really like Hollywood glam kind of look. I don't know if that makes sense, like that body wave look with that swoop. I love it so much. So that was as easy as that. Because the hair is so easy to work with, I was able to do that. So I do have to say that I like this. This has been very easy for me to manage. And so if you guys want to check this out, the links will be down below. I have a coupon code you can also use. As you can see, this hair looks amazing. Look at my part. Especially when you do have dark skin, it can be hard to achieve something like this where your part doesn't look too light. The lace is not too light, it's not too dark, it blends right in. You really don't see anything at all. Hope you guys can see that. So it's like, what frontal? What frontal? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it helped you, and that if you're looking for some new hair, there you go. Look into this one, look into this. So yeah, and if you have any questions about this hair, make sure you comment them down below. I will be answering any questions about it. Check it out, check out the website, use my coupon code. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and again, if you have any questions about hair, you know where to go. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.